Have you ever wondered how animals adapt to extreme weather conditions? Our world is a marvel of extremes, from the coldest Arctic tundra to the scorching Sahara Desert. But what's more astonishing is the myriad of creatures that not only survive but thrive in these conditions. It's all about adaptation, nature's remarkable way of ensuring survival in the wild. We will journey across these climates, spotlighting the ingenious methods animals employ to endure. Prepare to be amazed as we explore the fascinating world of animal adaptations. Imagine living in the Arctic, where temperatures can drop below -40 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a world away from the comfortable climates many of us are accustomed to, yet it's home to a fascinating array of wildlife. These animals have not just survived, but thrived in such extreme conditions, thanks to a series of remarkable adaptations. Let's take a closer look at some of these Arctic dwellers. The polar bear, the iconic symbol of the Arctic, is a marvel of adaptation. Its body is built for survival in this icy wilderness. Thick layers of fat, up to 4.5 inches deep, provide insulation, while its dense, water-repellent fur offers additional warmth and buoyancy during long swims. Even their feet are adapted, with small bumps on the soles for better traction on ice, and large size to distribute weight and prevent sinking into the snow. Then there's the Arctic fox, another resident of this frosty terrain. These petite predators sport a luxurious winter coat that is the warmest of any mammal. In fact, they can endure temperatures as low as -58 degrees Fahrenheit without shivering. Their bushy tails serve as cozy blankets, and their small rounded bodies minimize the amount of surface area exposed to the cold. But it's not just about staying warm. Food is scarce in the Arctic, so these animals have developed clever ways to find sustenance. Polar bears are patient hunters, often waiting for hours by a seal's breathing hole in the ice. Arctic foxes, on the other hand, have incredible hearing that allows them to locate and dig up lemmings buried under the snow. In the face of bitter cold, these animals have evolved incredible strategies to thrive. Their survival is a testament to the power of adaptation, reminding us of nature's resilience and ingenuity. They are the true champions of the Arctic, enduring and overcoming the challenges of one of the planet's most extreme environments. Now let's journey from the freezing Arctic to the scorching deserts, where temperatures can exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit. In these harsh environments, life may seem impossible, yet a variety of animals have evolved to not only endure, but also thrive in these extreme conditions. Two such remarkable survivors are the fennec fox and the camel, each equipped with unique adaptations that enable them to conquer the desert's merciless heat and scarcity of water. First, let's consider the fennec fox, the smallest of the world's foxes yet with the largest ears relative to body size. These large ears are not just for show, they serve a vital function in the desert ecosystem. Acting as nature's air conditioning unit, the ears dissipate heat and help the fox maintain a stable body temperature amidst the desert's searing heat. And what about water? The fennec fox has evolved to derive most of its hydration from the food it eats, primarily insects, small rodents, and plants. It's a master at conserving water, often going for long periods without a direct drink. Now onto the desert's quintessential survivor, the camel. Known as the ship of the desert, camels are built for endurance. Their humps, contrary to popular belief, store fat, not water. This fat is metabolized when food and water are scarce, providing both nourishment and water to the camel. Their long legs keep their bodies elevated from the hot desert sand, while their thick fur insulates them from both the intense daytime heat and the chilling cold of the desert night. Even their noses are adapted to conserve water, capturing the moisture from their exhaled breath. Camels are also experts at finding food, able to eat thorny desert plants that most other animals would avoid. Their thick, tough lips allow them to chew these plants without injury, turning a hostile environment into a viable source of sustenance. For these desert dwellers, survival is a testament to their remarkable adaptations. In the face of extreme conditions, these creatures have evolved to turn adversity into opportunity, proving that life, as tenacious as it is, can find a way even in the harshest of environments. From the heat of the desert, we ascend to the thin air of high altitudes. Here, the atmosphere is thin, the temperatures are cold, and oxygen can be scarce. Yet, life thrives in these challenging conditions, thanks to the remarkable adaptations of certain animals. Take the snow leopard, for instance. This elusive predator has roamed the high peaks of Central Asia for centuries. Its large nasal cavity warms the cold air before it reaches the lungs, preventing damage from the freezing temperatures, and its broad paws, like natural snowshoes, distribute its weight evenly over soft snow, allowing for effortless movement. Then, we have the alpaca, a member of the camel family that calls the Andean highlands home. Its thick, woolly coat provides excellent insulation against the biting cold. But it's the alpaca's blood that's truly remarkable. Packed with an unusually high number of red blood cells, it can carry more oxygen with each breath, helping the alpaca survive in the oxygen-scarce altitudes. These high-altitude heroes, the snow leopard and the alpaca, have developed extraordinary means to combat the harsh realities of their environment. They've adapted to the cold, to low oxygen levels, and to the rugged terrain, proving the resilience of life in the face of adversity. These high-altitude heroes show us that life finds a way, even in the most challenging conditions. From the freezing Arctic to the scorching desert and high-altitude peaks, animals have developed amazing adaptations to survive. As we've journeyed together through these diverse landscapes, we've discovered the incredible resilience of life. In the Arctic's icy expanse, we've seen how animals like polar bears and Arctic foxes use their thick fur and fat layers to combat the cold. Venturing into the desert, we've learned about creatures such as the fennec fox and camel, which have evolved to conserve water and withstand the heat. And soaring to high-altitude peaks, we've marveled at animals like the snow leopard and Andean condor, capable of surviving thin air and freezing temperatures. These remarkable adaptations highlight the power of evolution and the indomitable spirit of life. They underscore the importance of protecting these creatures and their habitats, for they are testament to the planet's incredible biodiversity. Next time you encounter harsh weather, remember the remarkable animals that not only endure these conditions, but thrive in them.